What is this?
Cook. Walk. Walk.
I walk to work every morning.
Run. Run.
He runs 10 kilometers every day.
Jump. Jump.
He jumps on the trampoline for fun. Which one is?
Run. Run.
What is this?
Walk. Swim. Swim.
Andy loves to swim in the sea.
Crawl. Crawl.
The baby crawls across the floor.
Climb. Climb.
He climbs the tallest peak in the range.
Ski. Ski.
Tom loves to ski in the winter. What is this?
Jump.
Which one is?
Crawl. Crawl. Fly. Fly.
The bird flies in the sky.
Dance. Dance.
He dances at the party.
Sing. Sing.
He sings into the microphone with ease. Which one is?
Dance. Dance.
What is this?
Fly. Clap. Clap.
He claps after a good performance.
Talk. Talk.
They talk all day long.
Write. Write.
James writes poems in his free time.
Read. Read.
Annie reads books before bed. Which one is?
Climb. Climb.
What is this?
Write. Work. Work.
He works hard to provide for his family.
Dig. Dig.
He digs a hole to plant a tree.
Play. Play.
The kids play with toys every day. What is this?
Swim.
Where is?
Read. Read. Drink. Drink.
He drinks coffee every morning.
Eat. Eat.
She does not eat sweets after 7 p.m.
Cook. Cook.
The chef cooks a delicious meal.
Cut. Cut.
She cuts the cucumber for the salad. Where is?
Talk. Talk.
What is this?
Work. Drive. Drive.
He drives to the store.
Ride. Ride.
She rides her bike to work.
Watch. Watch.
He watches TV in the evening. What is this?
Play.
Which one is?
Dig. Dig. Listen. Listen.
She listens to music.
Touch. Touch.
Lily touches his arm to show her support.
Think. Think.
She thinks about her future plans.
Take. Take.
Granddad takes a gift from his granddaughter. Where is?
Touch. Touch.
What is this?
Drive. Give. Give.
He gives a flower to her.
Make. Make.
Ella makes a cake for her friend's birthday.
Laugh. Laugh.
They laugh at the funny joke. Which one is?
Eat. Eat.
What is this?
Ride. Cry. Cry.
She cries when she's sad.
Throw. Throw.
Elliot throws the ball to his friend.
Sit down. Sit down.
He sits down to rest.
Stand up. Stand up.
He stands up to greet his guests. Which one is?
Throw. Throw.
What is this?
Cry. Open. Open.
She opens the door to step outside.
Close. Close.
She closed the door with a soft click.
Fight. Fight.
Two boxers fight in the ring. What is this?
Open.
Which one is?
Close. Close. Wait. Wait.
Leo waits for her at the station.
Smell. Smell.
She smells the flowers.
Kiss. Kiss.
They kiss each other goodbye.
Hug. Hug.
She hugs her son when he arrives. Where is?
Wait. Wait.
What is this?
Listen. Wash. Wash.
They wash their hands before dinner.
Bath. Bath.
She baths before bed.
Sleep. Sleep.
They sleep soundly in their comfortable bed. What is this?
Make.
Where is?
Bath. Bath. Buy. Buy.
She buys groceries every week.
Sew. Sew.
She sews a dress for herself.
Bow. Bow.
He bows to show respect.
Paint. Paint.
She paints the walls of her living room. What is this?
Sew.
Where is?
Bow. Bow. Draw. Draw.
She draws a sketch of her dream house.